Good morning, friends. Welcome to my channel, Salesforce Fighters. Today start Salesforce data modeling related interview questions. Very important questions. Start the video. First questions. What is object in Salesforce? Object in Salesforce act like database table that store data for specific type of records. Standard objects are available by the default in your Salesforce ORG such as the accounts, contact, leads. Custom object are the created by user to the meet the business requirement. API name of custom object in with next questions. What are external object in Salesforce? Objects that are created in order to map data stored outside your the Salesforce ORG are called external object. Next questions. What are the field in Salesforce? Field in Salesforce represent the data which is stored as a part of the object or records type. Depending on the business requirement, feeds can be used to store different type of data like currency, present and date. Next questions. What are tabs in Salesforce? Tabs is users interface element that provide access to specific object in system. Each tab represent a single object. Next questions. What is a records in Salesforce? Records is collection of the fields within an object. Records can be created, edited, and deleted by users with appropriate permission. Different records type in Salesforce allow use display some specific fields to users based on their profile. Next questions. What are different type of relations in Salesforce? Lookup relationship one many it's loosely coupled requirement relation between two objects where if the present records get deleted, child's records remain in the system. Master details relationship on the many. It's is a strongly coupled relationship between two objects where if the present records get deleted, associated child's records also get deleted. Many to many relationship. Salesforce junction object is utilized for establishing the many to many. This is used when the normal present childs or one to many relationship is not suitable. Next questions. Can standard object be on the detail sides of the master details relationship? No, standard object cannot be on detail sides if we have a custom object as a master of master details relationship. Next questions. What are the standard fields in Salesforce records? Standard fields are predefined Salesforce fields. We cannot delete it and standard fields unless it is non-required the standard fields. Example of some common standard fields are the created by on last modified by. Next questions. How many custom fields can be created per object in Salesforce? Depending on the Salesforce ORG editions, the limit has been defined for maximum number of custom fields to be created per object. Personal editions 5, contact managers 75, group edition 100, external editions 100, professional edition 100, enterprise editions 500, unlimited and performance edition 800, and developer edition is 500. Next questions. At max, how many fields relationship can be created on the object? Maximum 40 relationship can be created on the object. Next questions. Where should a users navigate to now about the deleted fields in Salesforce? Object managers, select object, field relationship, deleted fields. Next questions. How many lookup relationship fields can be created in an object. Either you can create 38 lookup and two master test relationship fields, or you can create all 40 as a lookup fields as per your the requirement. Next questions. What is sandbox in Salesforce? Sandbox is a replace on the productions org. It's allow you to configure, customize, and test your the functionalities without the impacting your the live data and process. Next questions. Explain different type of the Salesforce sandbox. There are four types of Salesforce sandbox as a follow: developer sandbox, developer pro sandbox, partial copy sandbox, full sandbox. Next questions. What is roll-up summary feeds? Roll-up summary feeds summarize data from the group of the related child's records and represent the output on the master records. You can the choose from variety of function including the sum, count, minimum, maximum, and average. Next questions. How many roll-up summary fields can be created per object? 40 per object in this maximum limit. Next questions, can we convert master data's relationship in lookup? Yes, we can do that, but we need to delete the roll-up summary fields on the master records if it is created before master details to look up conversions. Next questions, what is the profile in Salesforce? Profile is a collection of permission and setting that is a determine what a users can see and configure in the Salesforce origin. Next questions, what are the page layout in Salesforce? Page layout display fields on the records to your users. This layout allow you to include the virus element such as the fields, sections, link, and custom buttons along with the five others of features to enhance users experience. Next questions. Can two users in Salesforce have a same profile? Yes, but one users cannot have a multiple profiles. Next questions. What is a data input wizard? With the data input wizard, you can easily bring the data virus standard Salesforce objects such as accounts, contact, leads, solution, campaign, the members, and the permission accounts. Additionally, you can the import data custom object. It's allow you to the import and maximum 5,000 records in one go. Cannot be input opposite object records into the Salesforce using the data input wizard. Next questions. What is the data loader in the Salesforce? The Salesforce data loader is a tool designed for efficiency importing and exporting data in bulk. It enables you to safely move large amount of the data in the Salesforce monitors to transfer program. It's allow you to the import maximum 15 lakhs records in one IO. Next questions. What is a Salesforce inspectors? The Salesforce inspector is a Chrome extension used to for resolving the issue and debug problem in the Salesforce environment. Next question. Is creating the roll-up summary feeds possible in the lookup relationship? No, it is only available in the master details relationship. Next questions. What is the custom setting in Salesforce? Custom setting are the metadata like custom object utilized to generate customized set of data. It can be the link with the organized profile individual users to manage assemblability of the custom setting. It can be the design as either public others. Next question. What is the formula fields in Salesforce? What is the SQL in Salesforce? What is the SQL in Salesforce? What are the different type of the custom settings? List, custom setting, and hierarchy custom setting. Next questions. Explain the validation rules in Salesforce. Validation rules are the like set of the rule that check if the information entered by you to into the records meet the certains. Next question, what is the case create in the Salesforce. Next question, what is the static resource in Salesforce? Static resources are useful for the strong s- storing st- and updating the virus page of files such as image, document, zip files, JavaScript files, and CSS files. Next questions, what are the custom metadata type of the Salesforce? Next questions, what is the global picklist value set? Next question, which Salesforce feeds type of the performance calculations based on the feeds value, formula feeds? Next question, what type of the relationship exit between the account and contacts object? Next question, what is inline the editing in Salesforce? Next questions, can the data input wizard can be used to delete the records in Salesforce? No, that the data input wizard allow you to the input update and upsert records, but it does not support deletions. Next question, which fields type enables user to input alphanumeric combinations and security store them in the from answer text. Next question, which type of the custom fields would you allow user to the choose multiple option for the list, multi-select pick list? Thank you, friends. Very important video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channels. Take care. Bye, friends.